Usumbut Menteri Ramba ke Jalau badai pet ya katanat pulit ba Prestone Tynsong ulapan pau ba nama ki don ki kato kane ki jung tuna hakliang ke jung penyat ya ke Central Recruitment Board jong ke pulit ke Jala Meghalaya kalapan sange no ya ke Jingleh tes ya ke Bormet jong ki kandidat jong ke Jala Meghalaya. Ula ong bad ula batha ya ke board ban weng no ya kene ke Jingleh tes bat ban Sdang biang sa Shisien da ke rukom trekam ke ba thamai. Ula ajung modro ya ki kandidat bakim de ban ngop ha ki nong le thok ki ba pha ya ki jingseu lamba ka UPI Google Pay lan ki we ki rukom seu ban penlong ya ki kandidat ban pas ya ka jingle physical efficiency test jong ka ne ka kampule jong ka Jala Meghalaya.
Yesterday we have taken a decision. I told them that better we reset the whole thing because I think some technical defect happens in the in the instruments. So I've already told the board to better postpone it, cancel it, restart again. So now it takes maybe 1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start.
So what was the cause of this thing, sir?
Sorry?
What was the cause of this malfunction? Was it technical?
Yeah, it was technical. Because through this, through this instrument, we will be able to know this fellow he completed 1 round or 2 round or 3 round up to 5 or 10 or 15 rounds, whatever specified by the board. So in this case, what happened was, those who completed full round, maybe if it happens to be 10 round, it's shown incomplete. When incomplete means maybe they completed only 5 round or 6 round. In fact, they are supposed to complete the entire allotment made to them, means maybe 10 or 15 rounds. So therefore, I told them, because we really don't want to create any doubts to any candidate. So I told, better we just cancel it and then check properly those instruments. And once it is in place, then again we will recall back those candidates who already done for 2 or 3 days. We will recall back and then we will start the bet.
So can we see it?
It's only the instrument where they have to again reset or do the repairing or whatever. But once that is done, then the interview again, the PET will start. And then it will start again from the day one itself. Those who already participated, again they have to. We have already told, I think today also our chairman, he already appealed to all the public, all the youths who applied for the police post, that they should not be trapped by these people who just wanted to make money. I don't know. The scam see, this is day-to-day happening. Even with the mobile itself, there are so many people who were being cheated. So why are you being cheated? You need to know yourself. People has to be aware about it. I'm not the one who says you go and do that. You get a point. In fact, I think education has to be reach out to each and individual citizens of the state. That see, we should not be a fool. We should not be cheated at any point of time or at any cost.